Mag-asawang Eddie at Annabel, present sa birthday party ni Pilita. Nagdiwang na ika-85 kaarawan si Pilita Corrales noong August 22, 2024 at ito ay sinelebrate noong August 25, 2024 sa Manila Hotel. Ang pagdiriwang ay dinaluhan ng kanyang pamilya at malalapit na kaibigan.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our August celebrants. All right, thank you so much. Oh, let's take a group photo, no? Here.
Ganda, no? Live band.
Tita, think you can just take a group photo of the August celebrants.
Ganda.
All right, just one family picture, everyone. Calling the Davao Gutierrez and Feist family.
Present din ang mag-asawa ni na Annabel Rama at Eddie Gutierrez na nag-alay ng kanta kay Pilita.
So, this song is a rock and roll song, my national anthem. Maestro. For the show, baby, get ready now, go, get go.
Yeah! Whoa!
Well, you can do anything, but they hold them up with sweat shoes. Knocking me down, step on my face, stand my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. Got a holiday over my shoes, and don't you step on my sweat shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold them up with sweat shoes. Go! Burn my house, my car, while looking for a old food jar. When the thing that you wanna do, got a holiday over my shoes, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. But you can do anything that you hold my blue suede shoes. Well, the
suede shoes.
Blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes. But you can do anything but they own my blue suede shoes.
Game din si Eddie na ikwento ang nakaraan nila ni Pilita sa katuwaan ng mga bisita.
Simolong and Auntie Tita Annabel came.
Oh.
And then the Queen of the South, Annabelle, came also.
Wow.
Pilita and I made a movie.
Uh-huh.
Dolphy calls me up, Eddie, meron tayong pelikula. Ako tsaka si Nida, ikaw at tsaka si Pilita. Ano, okay sa'yo? Aba, okay. So the title of the movie was Tiririt ng Maya, Tiririt ng Ibon. Si Pilita ang Maya, ako ang Ibon.
Ikaw ang tiririt.
Malaki ang kinita ng pelikulang yun. Is box office din ang naging tiyan ni Pilita.
Ah! Revelation! Ang daming revelation, ah.
At lumabas Ramon Christopher.
Ah!
Gusto ni Pilita, Ramon. Sabi ko, I want Christopher. So, kasi Ramon is Spanish. Christopher, Saint Christopher was my favorite saint. Kasi si Saint Christopher, laging nag-a-abroad, malikot.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Kaya si Monsi naging Ramon Christopher.
Ah!
Pero alam mo, napakaswerte natin, Bilits. Ang dami nating apo. Janine, Jessica, Maxine, Diego. So, we're very lucky.
Roll call.
At si Jacqueline nagkaroon ng kapatid na lalaki.
Ah!
Salamat! Hindi ako blessed.
So, yun ang naging history namin ni Pilita. And then we did Stop, Look, and Listen. Ako, I'm more of an actor. But when I was with Pilita, I also became a singer. Kasi we're singing together.
Kabilang din sa mga nag-alay ng awit ay sina Martin Rivera, Dulce, Gary Valenciano, at ang napapabalitang boyfriend ng apo ni Pilita na si Janine, na si Jericho Rosales.
Put the mic closer, and I couldn't do that. But from that time, there are stories, it's also coming out in the book, but I had no idea that there was a relationship between Tita Pilita and Martin Rivera. But we've become the best of friends. It's been 40 years. And Jackie too. So, but it's been 41 years since I entered the industry, and it's still as strong a relationship that we both have with each other as it was back in the day. So, family, I'd like to introduce you to my best friend in the music industry, Martin Rivera.
Thank you.
I want you all to sing for me, all right? Yeah, we will sing together, everyone.
Yeah.
And both my guests when they still had a show. I don't remember a day go by. I didn't know what time it was. All I know is that I fell in love with you. that goes ever stronger than I always will be true. I know you feel the same way. You family, sing it. I love you more today than yesterday. Come on, Jimmy. But not as much as tomorrow. Sing it, come on. I love you more today than yesterday. How is my phone? As tomorrow. Today's a new day. Every time I today's a new day.
Yeah.
Today's a new day. Jackie, how about that? Every day's a new day. Jackie Lou!
Yeah.
It's an honor to you. I'm gonna sing a song for you. It's called Change the World. My mother sings your songs, and Janine knows about this. You were big in the house because she just sings your song. No, who doesn't sing your songs? Anyway, here we go. You're gonna sing with me, right? Okay. If I could reach the stars, pull one down for you, I'll shine it on your heart, so you can see the truth, that this love inside is everything you see. But from now I find you're only in my dreams, that I can change the world. Now I'll be the somebody you're with. You would think my love was really something good, baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Man. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.